Betty, it's time for us to do the assembly. The children are waiting. They want to hear who's won the awards for today. Hello. Oh, Betty. Oh, you're already here. Oh, hi, children. Betty's a lot quicker than me in getting ready for our school assembly for our Friday celebrations. Wow, what another wonderful week. I am so absolutely proud, as is Betty, aren't you, Betty, of all of our very, very brave children, our very, very brave parents, and our very, very brave staff for how hard they've worked all week doing sometimes very new things and really doing it absolutely amazingly. Now, Betty, as you know, today is Celebration Assembly. Oh, she's excited. She's been emailing me, making sure that she was going to be here on time. And wow, she is here on time, so we're so excited. And we have loads of names to give out awards to because of the great work they've done. Are you ready, Betty? Now, Betty, I need you to kind of just sit over there while I do the names, if that's okay. All right, great, Betty. So you sit over here. Oh, there you go, Betty. Yeah, that's it. Let me get my list of fantastic award winners for this week. And the first awards, of course, do go for Going for Gold. Are we ready? First, we have in Lee's class, Jake, for great effort with his home learning and daily posting on Tapestry. In York class, we have Bailey and Horley for their hard work during this week's home learning. In Hall class, we have Susanna Kay for some amazing writing about Traction Man. In Nottingham, we have Bella M for her fantastic efforts during home learning and showing her parents that she is independent. And also to Bella J for her amazing drawing of Traction Man and adjectives to describe him. In Liverpool, we have Jack. Jack is for outstanding attitude and efforts towards his home learning. We have also Alicia G for super efforts with her home learning. In Cardiff class, we have Isabella G. She has been working hard with home learning, but also worked hard on Tuesday to make a meal for her family. Also in Cardiff class, we have Zoe for trying hard with her work and pushing herself with her maths or work even when she finds it tricky. Keep it up. In Edinburgh 1, we have Harry for a super effort with all of his home learning, but particularly for focusing on his handwriting, which is he's making it much clearer. We also have Keely. This is for working so very hard at home to continue her learning. Her teacher is so proud of her, and so am I. In Edinburgh 2, George for his super English work. He reads the sentences carefully to find prepositions. In Cambridge class, all of Year 5 for adapting so well to the home learning. Also to Clayton for engaging in home learning. In Oxford class, we have Billy for completing a range of work each day, including the online work and the paperwork to brilliant standard. We also have Dylan in Oxford class for always being polite and having excellent manners. In Lincoln class and Chester class together, we have Riley for engaging so well in his online lessons and completing all of his English and math tasks. We also have Addison for taking part in the team's lesson and trying really hard. What a fantastic effort for the Going for Gold Awards to all of the children. Well done. Let's give them a big hand. Well done. Now, Year of Being Brave. First, we have in Lee's class, Holly Lee, for not being afraid to try new things. In York class, we have Nevaeh for always facing every challenge with a smile on her face and a positive attitude. In Hull class, we have Jakob for adapting so well to learning in a new port of school as part of his provision. In Nottingham class, we have Grace for disciplined bravery with her home learning and realizing that she is capable of achieving. We also have Ashton for intellectual bravery and showing his mom his full potential. In Liverpool class, we have Daisy for using sign language to sign the alphabet. Well done, Daisy. We have Jake K for never giving up with his online learning. He has showed great perseverance. In Cardiff class, we have all the children have been working so hard every single day, but we have Archie because he sent work every day and is really pushing himself. Well done, your teacher's very proud of you. And for Sienna for trying hard with her home learning and sending work every day. In Edinburgh 1, we have Madison for completing a phenomenal amount of work, even catching up with lots so she doesn't fall behind. Super impressed. She has been impressive and doing extra tasks. Wow. Tyler for being brave enough to report his work in a video. And he's been sending it through to teams and submitting the work all by himself. Teacher has been so impressed and super proud. In Edinburgh 2, we have Addison for disciplined bravery. He spent a long time drawing a mythical creature, and he was very patient, and he never gave up. The final product is amazing. We also have in Cambridge class all of Year 5 for participating in the Dailies Teams meetings. And I got to visit on Thursday, and I was really impressed by all the children. In Oxford class, we have Lexi for disciplined bravery, for working so hard and not giving up when she finds it difficult. And Callum for disciplined bravery, for remaining focused and level-headed when working, even when something is becoming challenging. In Lincoln and Chester classes, we have all the home learning children as they have had a difficult transition time, but they are all trying really hard and doing so well in engaging and completing tasks. And they are Riley, Zach, Lucas, Keegan, Jake, Alex, and Ramaya. Well done to all of those children. You deserve a big hand. Excellent. Well done. The next one is our new award. And, well, we need to have Betty. Oh, here you are, Betty. We need to have Betty here to help us with the next award because this is the Head Teacher Award. And I have been looking at all of the work of the children have been posting on Tapestry and on Teams over this week. And, Betty, we have been so impressed, have we? I mean, I can't keep up with it. My page just fills up with all of the work that y'all have been doing, and you have impressed me. I'm in awe. I am in absolute awe, and this is a difficult one for us to choose. Just a few children each week, but we do have a few children each week, and the first ones we have are Jake Elm in Leeds class. And we have been impressed by his whatever next task that he's been doing and the word searches he has been doing. Well done, Jake. Next, we have Jack W. in Cambridge class for the consistency of his work. I'm really impressed by you, Jack. Keep it up. We also have in York class Ella G. She's a new starter. She just started last week, and she has completed every task plus some extra things as well. In York class, we have Harrison. He's been finding every opportunity to practice his learning, even counting chairs when he was waiting for an appointment. Wow, well done. The other person that we're going to be giving a Head Teacher Award to is to Vernice in Oxford class for her active engagement and asking questions. She's never too shy to ask a question and always wanting to get all of her work done just as it should be. Well done, Vernice. And then the next one is to Anna in York class and Maria in Liverpool class, because these two sisters have been working their socks off. And I have been seeing so much work from them, haven't we? Yes, we're really impressed by it. Well done, girls. Another child that we have that's getting the Head Teacher Award is Jessica in Oxford class. Wow, she's put the most work I've ever seen on Teams. She has done an absolute brilliant job in making sure her work is done and it's posted on Teams straight away. So well done to you. Well done to all of our children we've given Head Teacher Awards to. Keep it up. You never know, I might spot your work on Tapestry or Teams. All right, children, it's come to the end of another week and we have the weekend. I hope that everyone takes a nice, good, relaxing weekend, because y'all have worked so hard, haven't they? They have. And we wish you a very good one. Bye. See you next week.